Okay, so as I told you that if I want to work with React is an library, a library which will be used to create the applications. Okay, front end applications. So React will be used to create interfaces for front end applications. So that moment, first of all, we need to install node.js. So in your Windows laptop, maybe your computer, maybe you have tab. So if it is being operated with the Windows, first of all, we need to check back that your node.js is installed. So the command is what? Node space -v. So this is the version. Okay, this is the version. So what do you mean of this? Your node.js is installed. Then once node.js, I told you that no need to install npm node packet manager separately. Once node.js is installed under command prompt in Windows, whenever you type node-v, you will get this version of what? Node.js. So next what we need to install one more build tool, Vite. Okay, once node.js is installed, we need to, suppose if you want to create React application, so first of all we need to choose a build tool. That build, here we will install a build tool Vite. Okay, how to install Vite? So Vite build tool, so by this command, okay, you copy this command, okay, copy and go to your, this is what your, this is our command prompt. So now run this command. So the file name, directory name or volume label syntax is incorrect. Why? Because this is, we need to study that actually what is the problem here. So that see here, whenever I have typed node-v, so this version is being displayed here. So node.js library is installed in your operating system Windows, and one more command I have used, npm-v, means node packet manager. This is the version. So my node packet manager also included in this node.js, so that I can install, download, install and manage any libraries. Okay, this is very important build tool to create the apps, React application. So for this command, whenever I have typed this command at my command tool, so I am getting this much of this is the file name, directory name, volume label, syntax is incorrect. Syntax is incorrect. Why? Because please try to understand that this code na HTTPS. So this is the mistake I have done here. Okay, so again go into here where run this command. We copy this command and copy and run at your, this is the difference is here HTTPS, so don't keep HTTPS here. Now run this command. So that moment what happens, see, at previous command we have written in this command remove this HTTPS hyphen, just type npm install -g space create -vite. So now that moment we need to get the if installation success, you will get a result like this: added one package in 649 milliseconds. Whenever you get this message in your terminal here, okay, so that moment you can understand that your Vite, this tool, build tool, that is installed to create the application. So once this package is added, now let us start to create a React application. Okay, so now this is, see, added one package in 35 seconds. One package is looking for funding. run npm fund for details. Okay, so now what happened, your one package that is for Vite tool is added. So now next step is what, to create React application. So in next class